Welcome to part 2 of our SketchUp Basics video. Here you will see the same tracing operations as in the first video for part 1. Except this time the drawing skill will be to use the arc command instead of the freehand command. Let's start by making a copy of the image that we want to trace. To copy in SketchUp, first, click the Move button. Then hover the mouse over the point of the image that you want to grab. Then hold down the Control key. That is the Ctrl key. Then hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse to position the copied image. Pan the view to center the image on the screen so that you can start tracing. Now use the 3 points on an arc command to trace. This gives a somewhat smoother outline than most people can draw using the freehand tool. Simply click 3 points in a row that land on the curve that you want to trace. You'll get good at picking points that make a smooth curve with practice. It is a little hard to see the curve sometimes, but you can zoom in to see the line better. As before, the region turns a solid white color when you have a totally closed set of lines. You can see that the rest of the process is exactly the same as before. Use the press, pull command to add volume or depth to the shape. Well, that's it for part 2. I hope that with practice, the repeated steps are getting easier and more familiar. And remember to plot an image and to save your work as in part 1. Also, remember to ask your professor questions if you need help.